Chapter 12. Our Earth. The Earth is a huge ball of rock. Its surface is made up of land and water, and it is surrounded by a layer of air. The shape of the Earth is like that of an orange. It bulges outwards from the center, but it is slightly flat on the top and bottom. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water and the rest is land. We live on land, as do many other animals and living beings. The Earth has many landforms. Let's read about them. Landforms. A landform means the physical appearance of the Earth's landscape. That is, how does the land appear to us? It is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. Various landforms found on the Earth include mountains and hills. At some places, the land is slightly higher than the ground level. This type of land is called a hill. Very high hills are called mountains. Mountains are very steep. The top of a mountain is known as its peak, and it usually remains covered with snow. Valley. A lowland between two hills is referred to as a valley. Often, a river flows through a valley, making it very fertile for growing crops. Plateau. A plateau is a raised structure with a flat top. It is often referred to as a tableland because of its shape and form. Plains. Plains are flat lands. Many rivers flow through the plains. Crops are grown here. Most people live in plains. As a matter of fact, the Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. It is often called the roof of the world. Water. Water is present on the earth in many forms, like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Water is also present below the earth's surface in the form of groundwater. Oceans and seas are huge bodies of water. Rivers are formed when snow on the mountains melt and trickles down. Rain is the most important source of fresh water. Water is essential for the survival of all living beings. Humans require water for drinking, bathing, washing, and cleaning purposes. Water is required to grow crops. Water is even used to produce electricity. My teacher says, water is essential for our survival. No living being can survive without water. Hence, we should not waste water. Every drop of water is precious. Air. Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. Air is required by humans, plants, and animals to breathe.